Welcome to OpenLegacy Hub. In this video, we will see how to orchestrate multiple invocations to assets in the same API to perform complex actions using OpenLegacy Hub. Here we will design a function that will obtain the information of an account, but will first set the balance to 0 if the account is locked. Please note that we have already logged into the Hub and will be using existing components. For links and other details, please see the description. We begin in the dashboard screen of the Hub and select an existing project, in this case Oracle Account Microservice. Opening the project structure in the left pane, we can view the existing modules and contracts. We select the contract, and we click the Add Method icon. We give the method a meaningful name and click the Done button. The system moves us to the flow screen. To begin designing the orchestration, we click the Add Asset icon and select an asset, Get Account. An asset represents the legacy source file metadata in JSON format. Clicking the mapper icon attached to the asset lets us map the input to the asset. We map the asset account ID input field to the method account ID input field. We can edit the input details by clicking the input icon. Here we change the name and click Save. We can now begin to design the condition that will update the balance of the account according to the locked status. We drag and drop the condition icon. We then drag and drop the invoke icon and associate it with an asset. Here, Update Account. We open the object and select the locked field. Clicking Next opens the Define Case step. We define the first case, the account is locked, and we set values for the parameters name to locked, operator to equals, the value is set to yes, and connect to invoke. Case 2, the account is unlocked. We set the parameters we see that a new branch has been added to a new output from the unlocked case. We now move on to mapping the specific fields that will be used in this method. We map asset output fields to asset input fields, get account to update account, except the account balance, which receives a static value of 0. We map the output from the update account object to its output for locked condition, map to output. And we map the output from the update account object to its output for unlocked condition, map to output. We edit the output field name. After we've finished mapping the fields and setting the conditions, we must publish the method to activate it. We can then deploy the project. Here we use the Deploy button for demonstrations in a synthetic environment. In a production OpenLegacy installation, the deployment step will be specific to your installation environment. We copy the URL to a browser window, and the OpenAPI page opens with our methods ready to be tested. Using the getAccount method, we select the locked account that has a positive balance. We then run our new method, closeBalance if not locked, and we see that its status is locked and its balance is now 0. We repeat the test with a different account. This account is unlocked and it has a positive balance. We run the close balance if not locked method, and we see the account remains unlocked and has kept its positive balance. Thank you for watching this video. For links and other details, please see the description below. If you have any questions, please contact us at OpenLegacy.